There's something undeniably magnetic about Italian motorcycles. The passion, the artistry, and the unmatched engineering. For decades, these bikes have been synonymous with thrill and performance. But what if I told you that the bikes of 2025 are not just about power, but also precision, style, and a dash of wild innovation? This year's lineup offers something for every rider, from track-focused speed demons to versatile road companions. Today, we're diving into the top 5 Italian motorcycles of this year, each one a masterpiece in its own right. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because the #1 pick might just blow your mind. Ready to discover your next dream ride? Let's hit the throttle and dive right in. Kicking things off, we have the Ducati Panigale V4, a name that's practically synonymous with high-performance riding. For 2025, Ducati has refined this beast with even more aerodynamic efficiency and a cutting-edge electronics package that makes handling smoother than ever. With its roaring 1,103 cubic centimeters Desmosedici Stradale engine, it delivers a jaw-dropping 214 horsepower, enough to make your heart skip a beat. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a symphony of power and precision. Imagine slicing through mountain curves with the Panigale V4's advanced traction control and cornering ABS, keeping you glued to the road. But here's the kicker. Ducati's improved heat management system ensures you can ride longer without sacrificing comfort. It's the ultimate combination of aggression and refinement. So, would you dare to tame this beast? Hold on tight because our next pick is an adrenaline junkie's dream. From one icon to another, the MV Agusta F3 RR is a purebred racing machine disguised as a street bike. This 798 cubic centimeter triple-cylinder marvel is all about agility and precision, boasting a power-to-weight ratio that'll make your heart race. In 2025, MV Agusta has outdone themselves by integrating advanced aerodynamics. Those winglets you see aren't just for show. They generate downforce, keeping you planted even at breakneck speeds. It's like having the soul of a racer in your garage. And let's talk about the design. The F3 RR looks like it belongs in an art gallery just as much as on the track. Every curve, every detail screams perfection. But don't go anywhere. The next bike on our list combines sheer muscle with raw attitude. The Ducati Monster SP is a bike that redefines what it means to ride with attitude. With its 937 cubic centimeter Testastretta 11-degree engine, this naked street fighter delivers 111 horsepower. But it's the compact design and lightweight frame that truly steal the show. This year's model features premium Öhlins suspension, Brembo Stylema brakes, and a minimalist design that's unmistakably Ducati. But the Monster SP isn't just about performance, it's about connecting with the road, feeling every twist and turn, and knowing you're in complete control. It's for the rider who craves excitement with every twist of the throttle. It's bold, it's fearless, and it's ready to take on anything. Speaking of thrills, our next pick is a factory-tuned marvel that's all about pushing boundaries. Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory, a motorcycle that's been called the ultimate hyper-naked, but in 2025, it's so much more. With a 1,077 cubic centimeter V4 engine, this powerhouse cranks out 175 horsepower, delivering blistering acceleration and a top-end rush that feels like flight on 2 wheels. What makes the Tuono V4 truly stand out is its semi-active suspension system. This technology adapts to every bump and twist, giving you a ride that's both aggressive and smooth. Whether you're carving up back roads or chasing lap times on a track, this bike excels in every scenario. But here's the twist. The Tuono V4 also packs advanced rider aids like cornering ABS and multiple riding modes, ensuring you're always in control no matter how wild the ride gets. It's an adrenaline rush like no other. Finally, we arrive at the Aprilia Shiver 900, a bike that bridges the gap between everyday practicality and Italian flair. Equipped with a 900cc V-twin engine, it delivers 95 horsepower, making it perfect for both spirited weekend rides and daily commutes. What sets the Shiver apart is its intuitive ride-by-wire throttle system, offering seamless power delivery that makes every ride feel effortless. And let's not forget the comfortable ergonomics, a feature that's all too rare in the world of performance motorcycles. Or 2025, Aprilia has given the Shiver updated electronics, including smartphone connectivity, so you can sync your rides and even plan routes with ease. It's the kind of bike that adapts to your lifestyle while still delivering that unmistakable Italian riding experience. So there you have it, 5 incredible Italian motorcycles that are redefining the ride in 2025. Each one offers a unique story, a distinct personality, and an unforgettable experience. But which one will you choose? Italian motorcycles have always been about passion and performance, and 2025 takes it to a whole new level. Whether you're looking for speed, style, or versatility, there's a bike on this list for you. Each one is a testament to Italian craftsmanship and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our next one. 7 best touring motorcycles for long adventures. Just click the link on the end screen and keep the ride going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow bike enthusiasts. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.